How is water at 4 degrees Celsius related to mass, volume, and capacity? Today we are here to find out. To begin, how does water at 4 degrees Celsius differ from water at any other temperature? Well, water is at its densest at 4 degrees Celsius. This means that the water will have the most mass per cubic unit of volume compared to other temperatures. This is due to the reasoning that at 4 degrees Celsius, the attraction between water molecules is greatest, while the repulsion is at its weakest. In any other case, if they have a higher temperature and hence higher energy, they will have a weaker attraction, and if lower energy, they will have greater repulsion. Take a glass of water, for example. If ice is put into it and floats, the water should be about 4 degrees Celsius as it is more dense than the solid ice. Any other temperature and the ice will sink into the cup. Now, let's talk about volume, capacity, and mass. The capacity of a prism or container is the amount of stuff it can hold. The volume of a prism or container is the amount of space within it. The mass is how much it will weigh at the end. Beginning with the volume, let's say we have a cylinder. The cylinder is 20 centimeters tall and the base has a diameter of 15 centimeters. To find the volume, we must use this formula. Vp is equal to AB times HP. This formula says that the volume of the prism is the area of the base multiplied by the height of the prism. To find the area of the base, because it is a circle, we must use the formula to find the area of a circle, pi r squared. Now let's plug in the numbers. Pi is equal to 3.1415 on and on and on and on, times the radius of the circle, or half the diameter, which is in this case 7.5 centimeters. Now that we have that, we will square the radius and multiply by pi. This gives us the area of the base, which is 56.25 centimeters times pi. When we do this, we will come up to 176.71 square centimeters. That is the area of the base. Now we will multiply that by 20 since it is the height of the prism, and we will get 3,534.29 cubic centimeters. That is our volume. Now that we have the volume, we can convert it to capacity. There is a conversion factor we must remember for this, and that is that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. So the 3,534.29 cubic centimeters is also equal to 3,534.29 milliliters. Also, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 gram. So here we have the mass. 3,534.29 milliliters is also equal to 3,534.29 grams. Getting back to the water at 4 degrees thing, if the water is any cooler or hotter, then we might be able to fit more into this container due to the less density. So, that is how water at this specific temperature relates to volume, capacity, and mass. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.